Okay, yes, we are on our way to Universal Studios. It is 5:30 in the evening, which is why I said good evening. And we just left a beach vacation. And we said, since we're in Florida, of course, we should go to Universal and Disney. Because, you know, we were only 6.5 hours away. So why not, right? Right? And we have our awesome freedom passes at Universal. I think we all agree we want to try to get on Velocicoaster, so we'll see how that goes. We're gonna get to the park and see what the situation is with the waits. Maddie may not be able to ride it yet. We'll have to get her measured and see. But yeah, so we're gonna go and at least get to see the parade, because this is our first time back to the theme park since they lifted a lot of restrictions. So we'll get to see a parade. We'll get to see some fireworks tonight. That's exciting. Also, as of right now, no masks are required at Universal at either outside or inside. So this will be a brand new experience for us.
No masks.
Yay, we're excited about that. Exit right, Universal.
Exit right.
Why are we staying off property?
Well, because we're going to go to Disney too. So we're staying in a hotel between Disney and Universal, because since we're doing both parks, we thought it would be better to stay at a hotel off-site. And also, there's just not a lot of benefit to staying at a Disney hotel right now. Why are you smiling? Are you excited?
I found a pretty good deal too.
Right, $70 a night, you really can't beat that.
No.
We're Marriott members, but yeah, there's just not any benefit to staying on Disney property right now. I mean, there's no fast passes, there's no early access, no magic hours. What else? No dining plan.
Just nothing.
No. Well, I guess you get early access for your park reservation days. Yeah. Did we make it through security?
Yes. Guess what? I saw someone holding like the broomstick.
Really? A broomstick?
Yeah.
Like a Nimbus 2000?
Yes.
Okay. All right, well, we're going into the park now, and we're gonna go guest services first, because Maddie's ticket is faded, and we need it to be reprinted, so hopefully they'll do that. We'll let you know.
Can we do the mini golf?
That mini golf? Yeah. Okay.
I want to do the mini golf. It's goofy golf, Maddie.
Not today.
And we're back at Universal. Yay. Woo. Oh my gosh, it is so nice out. It feels really good for August. There's not a lot of humidity right now.
No.
Look how crowded it is.
It's not that crowded, actually. I was expecting it to be a lot more crowded than this.
Mommy, it's Diagon Alley.
Let me get my sunglasses on.
Looks like Diagon Alley with all the people.
Oh, it's a little crowded in Diagon Alley. Oh, there's a studio store. When did they open?
Oh, I think they were getting ready to open it last time I was here.
Just curious. Are they open yet? Oh, they are open.
Are you going to go to Subi?
Okay, we're hitting that up on the way out tonight, because I've not been in there yet. They are open. That's exciting. Okay, guest services is our first stop. I think we can go over here. All right, how nice is it to be here with no mask on? I can't even get Lee's reaction. Isn't it awesome?
Yeah.
Nice to see our smiling faces again. And this is the line to guest services. Hopefully we won't wait that long. But look, that's where the social distancing markers used to be, so they removed those. That's nice.
Made it.
Made it in.
All right,
So we
girls.
had to get Maddie a new ticket printed, which we were able to do. Yes.
I had to get this, which is better because it. Where do you want to go?
So then I got a birthday button. So.
That's me.
go.
was
We just saw the
short.
parade. What'd you think? What'd you think?
It was short, but it was also cool.
It was kind of short.
There's only 3.
No, there's like four floats, I thought. So you saw Dora, Secret Life of Pets.
There's more of the like kid type of shows.
Yeah, SpongeBob. Who else?
Minions.
Oh, Minions, right. Yeah, it was cute. I mean, it's not like Disney's parades, but whatever, you
I
know.
don't think that was a full-blown parade.
Oh, maybe they've shortened it because of COVID.
I noticed all the floats had positions for other actors or parade members that weren't filled.
Yeah.
Several of them. So
Okay.
I think that was still an abbreviated parade, but it's a parade, so
Hey, at least they brought parades
Hey.
back.
yeah.
Another step towards normalcy. We're gonna finally check out the Bourne Stuntacular, I think. I already see a line forming. I don't know. We'll try. Hopefully it's not full again.
Maybe a lot of people had the same idea.
Yeah. All right. Actually, no, maybe not too bad. Okay. Well, let's go on up. And girls, wait up. Pretty cool. Yeah. This is our first time too. Oh wow. Scene from the movie. Okay, hi Matt. Jason Bourne, David West. What's scanning you? Have to walk on, buddy. What?
It's cold.
It's cold. That feels great to me. Oh. I love the theming in here.
Please stand by for your Questort Alliance Group Homeland Security Lead Liaison, Nicolette Parsons.
Thank you for agreeing to join this unique situation analysis team. This concludes your briefing. Now, your mission? Find Bourne.
Find Bourne. Find him. Gotta find Bourne. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I think this is gonna be cool. Like, I'm excited.
It's like real life.
Well, looks like all available seats are filled. Was it cool?
Yeah, I thought it was like actually in the movie.
I know, right? What'd you think, Maddie? Wasn't that really neat? Yeah. What'd you think?
That was pretty stuntacular.
It was pretty stuntacular. That was better than I thought it was gonna be. Can't really see the screen anymore. Weren't allowed to film it, but we thought it was really good. All right, I need Starbucks now. I'm about to fall asleep. Seriously, I hate how people just kind of like walk right in front of you. It's so rude. And don't stop when you're walking in front of me. It's so rude. I know.
What is
See
this?
some of the Horror Night stuff.
Yay!
I know.
Let's see it.
Yeah. They're setting up for it, but unfortunately, y'all are a little too young for Horror Nights. Yeah, you gotta be 16. I agree, it's not fair.
What'd you think of the stuntacular?
Oh my god, well, I thought it was really cool. I mean, I was better than what I was expecting, you know? Thought it was really good.
Sure.
Better than what I expected. Oh, cool, so they have like a viewing area over there for the Olympics. That's pretty neat. Wow, men's gymnastics is going on right now.
So I thought the integration, the screen, and the what physically there was pretty good.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it made me feel a little bit motion sickness, a little bit.
Yeah.
Just a little bit. I mean, I started to feel kind of, I had to close my eyes a couple times. So a warning if you get motion sickness. And I don't easily, so if it bothered me, it's probably going to bother normal people. Or just, I mean, people who normally get motion sickness.
The fighting sequence is a little fancy, which I get. You got to, I mean, it's just a show.
Right.
The actors got to do it 10 times a day.
Right.
It's not, you can't quite fight. But
And they all had their masks on, but it wasn't really that noticeable with the lighting.
yeah, they could have integrated the masks a little bit more with the setting.
Yeah. Fireworks are at 9. So they have that on because of... You said it was on because of fireworks? What?
I think so.
Okay, that's
Does
interesting.
that too. I think very saying on that though.
Well, yeah, they do it on the top of the roofs and stuff.
No, also the ground.
That's true. They do
Parents
put water everywhere. I'm excited to see the fireworks. I've never gotten to see them here before. We just saw like a kind of a glimmer of them last time we were here. So that'll be good. What you think? You excited to see the fireworks? You look tired. It feels so good. It's not hot anymore. Just wanted to stay like this. Starbucks, yay! Oh yeah, found my Starbucks. Please be open. Said they're open till 9. Okay. About to find out.
You have to pick up the phone and then dial the number.
Oh.
Yes. Yeah.
It picked up, but I didn't hear anything.
Maddie, what are they doing? Oh, hey.
Oh, that's good. I can't tell you how amazing it is to be able to walk and drink my coffee at the same time. Oh my God.
Watch it.
Okay. Oh, almost choked on that ice. Yeah. Can't tell you how nice this is. Alright, well I'm heading to Diagon Alley. Maybe we'll catch the fireworks still, so we'll see.
Maddie, are you excited? What about you, Caroline? You excited?
Passing King's Cross Station. There's the night bus. Heading to the magical brick wall. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Takes my breath away every time. Alright, kids, I'm gonna go find them. Straight ahead.
Okay. I'm supposed to take you down to see the boats.
girls and explore a little bit. I've never been back here before. Ah, okay. And he's a very big snake. Oh, he's talking. Wow, okay. I guess maybe I'm slithering because I can talk to this snake? I don't know.
Snakes make spectacular.
What did he say? Snakes what? What? There's all kinds of really cool features in Diagon Alley that I've never really had a chance to like explore and look at. So, you know, waiting on me and the girls, I figured I'll look around, see what I haven't seen before. I think they're still on the ride. Hagrid's motorcycle. And I've never walked up here, so let's see what's up here. Why not check it out? Oh gosh, this is a lot of stairs. Okay. Okay, so you can't go any further once you get up here. So what do we have in here? I don't know. Some boots. This is just so cool. All the theming. Oh, man, this is a pretty cool view. Well, I'm sure they're getting off soon. Oh man, we gotta watch this tomorrow from the other side, huh? Wow. That scared you, huh? What do you think, Maddie?
It was a projection in that fountain.
I know, that's what I was saying. That's good. So you at least got to do one ride, right?
We got to do it like how it normally would be, like the elevator.
With the
and
elevator?
stuff.
Oh, good. So you got to see like the pre-shows and stuff as it's meant to be. Okay. What did you think, Maddie, of the elevator? That's pretty neat. So you're like going down in the cart. I'm glad you got to see it that way. All right, we're making our way out.
Where are we gonna go
For dinner? Didn't we have dinner before we came here?
Kinda. I mean, I'm a little hungry.
All right, well, we might as well just eat, you know, fast food while we can. It's always cheaper than theme park food, right? That's the benefit of staying off-site, is you don't have to eat at the parks. And it's only 9:20, so we're still gonna get checked into our room at maybe a decent hour, and we can all kind of go to bed early and get a good night's sleep for a big day tomorrow. Right? Yeah.
Tomorrow we're going to Disney.
I'm looking at all the stuff.
No, tomorrow we're doing Universal again.
Oh.
We're gonna do a full day at Universal and Ellen's Adventure.